Hello. What are the components parallel and perpendicular to an incline of 30 degrees of weight 4 newtons? If we draw a sketch, which is the most important thing when doing anything concerning vectors, components and resultants, we must draw a little sketch. So this is what it looks like. We have an incline of 30 degrees and we have a weight on here on the slope, it's downwards, I'll call it, and this is 4 newtons. Now our diagram, remember these are the positive directions when your x dash, that's up the slope, down the slope will be negative, and we have y dash, we have the origin here. And now here's our little diagram. In fact, I'll use colour here to distinguish what we're doing. So we have this. This is our right angle here. Now the weight of 4 newtons acting here. Right, so we're going to resolve. So this will be resolved down the slope, and that will give us something in this direction, and this will be 4 sine theta. And we can also resolve perpendicular to the slope, which is what we're asked to do, and we'll have this acting downwards. Remember, this is 30 degrees, and this is 4 cosine 30 degrees. So parallel to the slope or incline, we have 4 sine 30. Right, well, it's sine 30. 4 sine 30 degrees, which is equal to, sine 30 is a half, so this is equal to 2 newtons. And perpendicular to the slope, we have 4 cosine 30 degrees, which is, that's root 3 over 2 times 4, which gives us 2 root 3. It's 2 root 3. So cosine 30 is root 3 over 2. 2 root 3 is approximately 3.5 newtons. So this is the most accurate, 2 root 3. So parallel to the slope, and that will be pointing in the opposite direction. So we could have, this will be a negative value, and perpendicular to the slope is also negative because it's going in the opposite direction to y dash. So if we want to be more precise, we can actually make both of these negative. And so there we are. We've determined the components parallel to the slope or the incline of 30 degrees of the weight 4 newtons, which is minus 2 newtons, and perpendicular to that incline of 30 degrees of minus 2 root 3 newtons. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.